Is Siri not reading your messages through your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later, and your AirPods Pro 3 have firmware 7A300 or newer. Then, navigate to Settings, Notifications, Announce Messages with Siri, and make sure the feature is toggled on. Select When Connected to AirPods for targeted announcements. Crucially, check that individual apps, like Messages or WhatsApp, are also enabled within this settings menu. A common fix involves toggling Hey Siri off and back on in Settings, Siri, and Search. If issues persist, proceed to the next section for more in-depth solutions. Still facing issues? Try unpairing and repairing your AirPods Pro 3 via Settings, Bluetooth, Forget this device. After repairing, give it another shot. Software glitches can be solved by ensuring all updates are complete in Settings, General, Software Update. Another trick is resetting your network settings. For more complicated issues, use Apple's built-in diagnostic tool via Settings, Privacy and Security, Siri, and Dictation, Diagnostic Data. As a last resort before contacting Apple support, try a full factory reset. These advanced techniques should resolve the vast majority of announcement failures.